Hello, I'm Rafal.
Hi, I'm Michael.
Newton's first law of motion states, an object in motion will continue to stay in motion forever unless acted on by an outside force. The same can be said for an object at rest. An object at rest will continue to be at rest until acted on by an outside force.
In a perfect world, that will continue to roll forever. But since we do not live in a perfect world, it is being stopped by friction, which is slowing it down until it stops rolling.
And now the ball will continue to stay at rest until acted on by an outside force.
Until acted on by an outside force.
The reason why the tennis ball hit the floor before the paper ball is because the tennis ball had a greater mg, or downward force, which is related to its weight. If an object has a greater weight, it reaches terminal velocity later than an object that has less weight, like the paper ball. Terminal velocity is reached when F net is equal to 0, which is also when air resistance is equal to the downward force, or mg. Since the paper ball had a lower mg, it did not require as much air resistance to reach terminal velocity, which meant that its terminal velocity for the paper ball occurred quicker than the tennis ball's terminal velocity, which is why the tennis ball hit the ground first.
Newton's third law states that every action has an opposite or equal reaction. Here, where Andrew is pulling on this lanyard, there's an opposite reaction of the lanyard pulling back at Andrew. And same goes here with the fall. As he pulls, the same thing is going on here. It's pulling in the opposite direction.
This isn't our group.